Hey there, photo besties. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we're going to talk about a photo gallery system that you can use to deliver your photographs to your clients. So if you already hunt for a better system, continue to watch this video here. As a photographer, it is so important to be professional in this profession. A lot of people tend to think, oh, well, I can just send a couple of the photographs on Google Drive, Google Photos, Dropbox, but I'm here to tell you, my friend, that is not quite professional. So if you are looking for a gallery system, there's plenty out there, but I have decided to use something called Sprout Studio, which is actually an all-in-one CRM that I highly recommend for photographers. And it has been a game changer for me. So I'm going to dive into the 3 reasons why I absolutely love this CRM and gallery delivery system. So my number 1 reason that I love Sprout Studio's gallery delivery system is because it is super easy from a user perspective. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to delivering our clients' photographs, you are definitely not wanting them to screenshot your photographs and share them on the internet, because as we all know, it will come out a little pixelated and decrease the quality of the image. So to eliminate that, you want to have a delivery system and process that is easy for them. We have to remember these folks are not tech savvy for the most part, so we want to make it as easy as possible for them to navigate their gallery, download their photos at any time they can at their fingertips. So I'm going to walk you through this gallery system from a client perspective so you can see how easy it is for them to navigate, download, and share their photographs. So as you can see here, this is my client's gallery. You can go ahead and click Open Gallery, and then it will prompt all of her photographs. This client decided to purchase her entire gallery. So as you can see here, there's all her photographs. And as you scroll down, there's different navigation buttons at the very bottom. Another feature that I don't have on my gallery is a shop, because typically my clients purchase from me directly for their prints and photos, and it allows me to do that one-on-one experience with them. But if you are more of a virtual deliverer and you do IPS virtually, this is a great asset as well. You can turn on that shop at any time and set that up. At the very top here, I can see if my clients favorite an image. If they ever want to come back and say, hey Angelica, I really want to print this, they can just favorite it, make a note for me, and I can go ahead and send it off to the lab and send them an invoice. At the very top here, it gives them the capability to download. They can download all of their photographs by just submitting their email here, and in return, they will get a link to download all of the high resolution photographs. Super, super easy, and they could even do this on their phone. So if they have a cloud on their phone, Google Drive, it will automatically allow them to download all of their photos on their phone. You also have the capability to download the photographs individually as well, which is important because, and again, we don't want our people to screenshot the photographs. We already know how that makes our skin crawl. So this is a photograph. Again, she can favorite, download, or if she wants to share on social media here or copy the URL. So very easy to navigate. I have it set up in the system so it's valid for 30 days so that they can navigate the gallery and download the photographs more than once if they desire. My second reason that I absolutely love this CRM is the amount of features we have in control as a photographer from the back end. And let me just show you guys the behind the scenes of what this actually looks like and how amazing this system is on different levels. So this is what the back end of the gallery system. What I love about this is that it is connected to the client project. So the client session, it has all their profile information. So within their profile, you have all of these settings and it's actually attached to their profile. To upload the photographs, you can either click upload or you can simply drag and drop, which is amazingly easy. The load time is actually really great. I've never had any problems with it. And then if let's say you had a duplicate or anything like that, you can just click here and you have a couple options here is deleting, if you want to copy a file name, if you wanted to download it from your side. If you don't have access to the photographs, you can always download the photographs as a photographer on your site as well. And then let's talk about these features over here, my friend. OMG, this right here is what I love about this system. So on the right hand side is like a navigation bar. It tells you when the gallery went live, when it expires, how many photographs are in there, the size of storage that it is using, and then if you had multiple sessions, you can put multiple sessions and subfolders within the gallery. This is great for wedding photographers that have like, prep, getting ready, ceremony, reception, and portraits. So let's click on these settings here. And here I'm all about client experience and making things look pretty. And so in the pretty aspect, you have different design options as far as styles, if you like a light or a dark background, spacing, size, if you want icons, text, and you can even watermark your photographs. So if you are a photographer that sends proofs to clients, they can go through and favorite the photographs that they want. And even if they desire to screenshot them, you can put a watermark on top of them. The next one is client experience. I keep mine pretty bare bone because my entire experience for my clients, it's in person. So they are really just using this link to download their photographs. But you can use a slideshow, you can upload videos, you can require emails, submissions, social media sharing, all the things are in here. You also have availability. They get their own URL link. You can attach it to a specific client. You can add restrictions back to that expiration date and any placeholders or include onto any catalog. And then here is that print portion. So again, my clients print with me directly, but if you had an online print shop, you can connect it here, connect their price list, and they can even apply coupons. So if your client has a print credit, they could apply that directly themselves and shop on their own. And then last but not least is their download. You have the ability to download the high resolution image, which is super key for our clients because that's what we want to give them is a high resolution photographs so they can download and share all the pretties and make sure to tag us and we can share back. So, and it also tells you the activity feed, which I love, which brings me to the third reason I absolutely love Sprout. I don't know about you guys, but automation is my love language. And I absolutely love when things are automated and it checks the box for you to move forward onto the next task. So right here, it gives you an activity feed, how many times it's been viewed, how many times it's been downloaded, if there's been any orders, guest emails, placeholder emails, or any favorites. And this feature right here has been a complete game changer. As I mentioned, my galleries expire within 30 days and the reminder emails are automated based on their activity. So a reminder is sent 4 to 10 days after a gallery is sent but not viewed. A receipt is sent to a gallery right away if an order is made. And a reminder 3 days before the gallery expires for those registered guests, 1 to 3 days before the gallery expires for the client itself, and then a reminder 4 hours, 1 day, and 3 days after someone adds something to the cart and hasn't checked out. You all heard of the abandoned cart? That is what that is, my friends. So it guarantees that you can still get the sale and gives your people a little friendly reminder, hey, you have this in your cart, do you want to continue with your purchase? So this is the assistant section of Sprout, and it has been a game changer. You have no idea. I guarantee you that my client will definitely download her gallery 3 days before or 1 day before, depending on when she sees the email, and that automatically sends out. So if you are looking for a gallery delivery system and preferably all-in-one, I don't know about you, it makes things so much easier, one less software to log into. Check out Sprout. I have a link in the description. You can try it for free. And if you like it, you get 20% off using my link below. I hope this was helpful. And if you did find this helpful, be sure to like, share, and comment for the next upcoming video. See you later, Photo Bestie.